Andrew Alfred Scott, born April 28, 1978, is a Canadian reality television personality, best known as the co-host, along with his identical twin brother Jonathan, of the TV series Brothers Brothers. The home renovation program, which is produced by Cineflix Media, features Drew as the realtor and Jonathan as the contractor. The success of the show has led to several spin-offs, including Buying and Selling and Brothers, Property Brothers at Home and Property Brothers Forever Homes. Scott, along with his two brothers, is also co-founder of Scott Brothers Entertainment, which creates and produces TV shows, films, and digital content. Additionally, the twins have launched the home furnishings brand Scott Living and its subsidiary Dream Homes. Scott participates in charity and philanthropic activities. He resides in Los Angeles with his wife, Linda Fan. The couple had an HGTV show called Property Brothers at Home, Drew's honeymoon house, that chronicled the renovation of their home, as well as a show on TLC called Drew and Linda Sassonet and Salary. What is Drew Scott's net worth and salary? What about this belt? Dave Davis, what interests you? Drew Scott's net worth and salary. Drew Scott is a Canadian actor, television host, producer, and real estate investor who has a net worth of $100 million. Drew Scott was born Andrew Alfred Scott in Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada, on April 28, 1978. His father, Jim Scott, worked in the film industry as an actor and assistant director. Drew and his twin brother, Jonathan Silver Scott, co-host and co-produce a variety of media projects. Jonathan and Drew have an older, named brother, Jay. Both brothers are licensed real estate agents, and Jonathan is a licensed contractor. Drew initially wanted to be an actor, Jonathan a magician. They began flipping houses in high school with the help of their older brother and father, who built the family home by hand. They were able to get started thanks largely to a Canadian legal loophole that allowed people with no credit and little cash to take over someone else's mortgage with personally guaranteeing the loan. They reportedly made $50,000 after their first flip and were addicted from that point on. In 2004, the brothers co-founded Scott Real Estate Inc., a company they hoped customers would use as a one-stop shop for their buying, selling, and renovation real estate needs. By 2008, the company had over a dozen employees.